When you walk into a bank and deposit your hard-earned money, you probably feel safe. You think, my money is secure. It's sitting in a vault, waiting for me. But what if I told you, your money is already gone? What banks really do with your money will shock you. You see, banks don't actually hold on to all the money you give them. They operate under something called fractional reserve banking. That means, if you deposit $1,000, the bank might only keep $100 in actual cash. The other $900, they lend it out to someone buying a car, a house, or to another business. But here's the crazy part. The person who gets the loan then deposits that $900 into another bank. And that bank also lends out 90% of that, and so on. This creates new money out of nothing, and it's all based on trust. Your money is not sitting still. It's being used to make the bank even more money. But wait, it gets worse. Banks charge you interest when you borrow their money, but they use your deposits to lend to others. So essentially, they're charging people for money you gave them. And what do you get in return? A savings account with maybe 2% interest, while the bank charges others 12%, 18%, even 25% interest. That should shock you. Here's the terrifying truth. If everyone went to the bank today to withdraw all their money, the bank would collapse. This is exactly what happened in real life. In 2023, Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. Too many people tried pulling their money out at once, and boom, billions gone, just like that. Why? Because the money wasn't really there. It was being invested, lent out, moved around. Banks are not evil, but they are businesses. Their job is not to protect you, it's to profit from you. They don't make money by saving it. They make money by circulating it. And if something goes wrong, well, governments may bail them out, but you may lose everything. That's why you should understand where your money goes, before it disappears. Next time you deposit cash into a bank, ask yourself, do I really know where it's going? This was realScope. Hit like if this shocked you, and subscribe for more hidden truths about the world around you.